to know. And it's nice to see you again. So, are you ready for our lesson for today?
Mino học nó Mino cái học nó Mino cái học lắm cũng ngọn về.
Okay. Are you ready for our lesson for today, Dankwa? Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes, okay. So, for our lesson for today, so we will talk about, so let's read this one. Beach.
Is fun.
Okay, very good. So when we look at our lesson for today, so we will talk about beach fun. So beach fun, so these are the things that we can do at a beach. So this, as we look at this picture, so the children are at the beach. The children are at the beach. So a beach is there is a sea and there are sand. So very good. So we will talk about what we can see at a beach and what we can do at a beach. So now let us start our lesson for today. So let's go to our warm up video. So let's first watch a video.
Playing at the beach, playing at the beach. Castles in the sand, building castles in the sand. The waves come in and wash it away, so we jump into the water and play. Oh, what a lovely day I've had at the beach. Dolphins in the sea, dolphins in the sea. Count them 1, 2, 3. Count them 1, 2, 3. They jump and swim and flip and spray, watching all the dolphins play. Oh, what a lovely day I've had at the beach. Floating on my raft, floating on my raft. The water's warm as a bath, the water's warm as a bath. I bob and spin and kick and lay, careful not to float away. Oh, what a lovely day I've had at the beach. Flying my kite, flying my kite. The wind is just right, the wind is just right. It floats and dips and soars and sways, up and down and sideways. Oh, what a lovely day I've had at the beach. But here comes the rain, here comes the rain. The clouds have turned gray, the clouds have turned gray. Hurry, pack our toys away, make a quick getaway. Oh, what a lovely day I've had at the beach.
Okay, so Dankwa, so that is our video about a beach. So as we can see, so what did you see on the video, Dankwa? What are the things that you see or that you saw in the video? What did you see? Did you see fishes in the video? Yes?
Yes.
Yes. How about what animal did you see or did you saw on the sea? What animal is that? It is, the animal is
Dolphins.
a dolphin. Very good. So how many dolphins? How many dolphins did you see in the video?
Dolphins to us 3 dolphins.
Yes, very good. So as we can see in the video, so there are 3 dolphins. So there are other things that the children did in the beach. So we will go and find out what are those things that we can do at a beach. So now let's go to our next page. Okay. Okay, so for this one, Dankwa, what do we call this place? What is this place?
Some
This is the
some big
beach. Very good. One more time. Let's say beach.
big
Good job. So this place, it is a beach. Okay, so next. What is this in the picture? Do you know what is this? This
is
is
got you.
okay, very good. One more time, let's say castle.
Castle.
Very good. So what is this, Dankwa? This is a
Got you.
castle. One more time, let's say castle.
Castle.
Castle, castle, castle.
Castle. Castle.
Castle. Okay, very good. So this is a castle. How about this one? What is the children doing in the picture? What is the child doing in the picture?
Into
So for the picture, so we
dig.
call
Dig.
dig. So the child is digging or dig. So our word here is dig. Very good. Next, what is this object? Do you know what is the object? That is so we call it as,
Hit.
okay, good try. Now let's say it as kite.
Got.
Very good. So what is this, Dankwa? This is a
Castle.
kite. Very good. Let's say it 3 times. Kite, kite, kite.
Got.
Okay, very good. Next, what do you think? What do we call this part of the snail? What is this?
Good.
This is the,
Long.
we call it as,
Right. So.
okay, very
So.
good. Shell, one more time. Let's say shell.
Shells.
Very good. How about this one? What is the boy doing?
Scream.
Very good. The boy is swimming or swim. So very good. So now let us go to our next page and let us learn more about this word. So let's go to our next page. Okay, so let's read this one.
We swing at the beam.
Very good. So one more time, let's say beach.
Good.
Very good. So now let's read the meaning of the beach. When we say beach, it is
Is near the sea. The sea. With sand.
very good. So as we look at our picture, so a beach is a land near the sea. So this is the sea and near the sand. So these are the sand. So what do you think we do at the beach? Or what are these children doing at the beach?
Beach.
What are they doing at the beach? The children are
The children are to beach. Swim.
Very good. So the children are swimming. Let's say swimming.
Swimming.
Very good. So when we say swim, so this one, can you read this one, Dankwa? To swim is
Swim moves in water using your arms and legs.
very good. Thank you so much. So when we say swim, so we use our arms and our legs to move into the water. So we go like this. And also our legs and feet so are like this also for us to swim. So very good. So teacher has a question here. So
Yeah.
can you swim, Langkwa? Can you swim?
Yes.
Yes, very good. And let's go with our second question. So let's move this one. So how do you feel when you are swimming? How do you feel? Okay, let's listen to this.
Bạn cảm thấy thế nào khi đang bơi?
You
How do you feel when you are swimming?
Bạn cảm thấy
happy.
thế nào khi đang bơi?
Happy.
Happy. Wow, very good. So let's say, I am happy when I am. Okay, let's read
Rest.
this one. I am
Read. I
this one.
am happy. I am happy when I am swimming.
Yes, very good. So you are happy when you are swimming. So very good. Next, let's read this one.
We just at the pier.
Okay, very good. One more time. Let's say beach.
Feet.
Good job. So now let's read this one.
Just make hole into the rock.
Very good. One more time. Let's read this word. Ground. Let's say ground.
Around.
Hole.
Hole.
Very hole. One more time. Let's say hole.
Hole.
Good job. So when we say dig, so this is what the children are doing. So they are making a hole in the ground. So this is a place near the beach. So this is the sand. So they are making a hole in the sand. So now let's answer this question. So do you think it is difficult to dig at the beach? Why?
Bạn có nghĩ việc
Even
đào
is
bới ở bãi biển khó khăn không? Tại sao?
Okay, do you think it is difficult to dig at the beach? Why?
no.
No, why? Why not?
Is
Tại sao không?
no.
I can go.
No. No. No is a piece. No. No like. No like swim with pig.
Okay, very good. So good idea. So no. So let's say it is not because the sand is soft and loose. So can you read this one? No.
Yes. No. 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 It's not because the sand is so and loose.
Very good. So the sand is soft and loose. So it is not difficult to dig at the beach because the sand is soft. So you can dig easily at a beach or the sand in the beach. So very good. So next, let's go to our next page. Okay, let's read this one.
We run at the beach.
Very good. So we run at the beach. So this is also a one activity that we can do at the beach. So we can run. So when we say run, it is to move. Can you read this one?
Run most fast with your legs.
Very good. So when we say run, it is to move fast with our legs, like this children in the picture. So these children are running at the beach. Okay, so next. Okay, so we have a question here. So running on the ground and under the water. So which is faster? Okay, so listen
We
first.
Chạy trên mặt đất và chạy dưới nước, cách nào nhanh hơn?
Okay, so running on the ground and under the water. Which one
until
is
the ground. Running until the ground.
very good? So running on the ground is faster because, so let's read this one. This one,
Run on the ground is fast.
faster because,
What? Running onto the ground, people can move fast because it's light and don't slow or don't move.
okay, very good. One more time, let's read this word again. Let's say doesn't,
Doesn't
slow,
slow
us,
us
down,
down
and much.
much.
Okay, so very good. So very good, Dankwa. So running on the ground is much faster than running under the water because when we run in the water, so the water is heavy and it pushes us or it pushes our body. So our movements become slower. So when we run on the ground, like these children, so they run on the ground. So we can run much faster on the ground rather than in the water. So very good. So next, okay, let's read this one, Dankwa.
We eat us to peace.
Very good. So we eat at the beach. So when we say eat, so can you read this one?
Eat. Eat.
Food.
Eat. Put food in your mouth and chest.
Okay, good job. Let's read this word one more time. Let's say chew.
Chew.
Very good. So let's look at the picture. So these people are eating at the beach. So when we say eat, so it is to put food in our mouth. So like
Mm.
for this one, so these are one activity. This is one activity that we can do at the beach. So we can bring food and eat it at the beach. Okay, so next, let's go to our next page. So let's read this one.
We play at the beach.
Very good. So
At
let's
the
read
beach.
this beach. One more time, let's say beach.
Is playing the
Beach. Okay, so let's focus on our word play. So when we say play, it is
play. Play. Do something fun.
very good. So when we say play, so this word means that we are doing something fun, like this children. So let's look at the picture. So they are playing with a ball. So now, teacher has a question here. So what are they playing? So what are these children playing?
Họ đang chơi trò
What's
gì vậy?
to play?
Yes.
Họ đang chơi trò
Play
gì
football.
vậy?
What are they playing? They are
They are football.
playing with, what are they playing, Dangwa? Very good. Let's say it in a complete sentence. So they are playing with a,
Playing football.
okay, let's read this one. They are,
They are playing with a ball.
ball. Very good. So these children are playing with a ball. So very good. Next, let's read this one. We fly.
We fly to a pier.
Okay, very good. One more time. Let's read these words again. Let's say kites.
Cat.
Very good. Beach.
Beat.
Good job. So when we say kite, so these are a toy that we can play which flies in the sky like this one. In the picture, these are the kites. So they are a type of toy that flies in the wind or in the sky. So teacher has a question here. So have you ever flown a kite?
Bạn đã bao giờ thả diều chưa?
Have you ever flown a kite, Dankwa?
Yes.
Yes, very good. And this one. Let's answer this question. So, can we fly a kite in a rainy day?
Chúng ta có thể thả diều vào ngày mưa không?
Can we fly a
No.
kite?
No.
No, very good. Why? Why can't we fly a kite in a rainy day?
No. It's a Friday.
No, no, because
No, because it's fly year to race is uh no, because rain make the kid too heavy and it cannot fly well.
okay, very good. One more time. Let's read this word again. Let's say kite.
Cat.
Very good. So no, very good for your answer, Langkwa. So no, we cannot fly a kite in a rainy day because rain makes the kite heavy and it cannot fly well like this one. So we can only play kite when it is sunny day. Okay, like this in the picture. So it is a sunny day. So the flight can fly well because the wind is okay, not so it is not raining. Okay, and it can be dangerous also to fly a kite when it is raining. That is why we cannot fly a kite in a rainy day. So very good. So next, let's read this one.
No, we will sail at the pier.
Very good. One more time. Let's read this word again. Let's say find.
Fight.
Shells.
Swap.
One more time. Shells. Shells.
Swap.
Very good. So when we say find, it is to see or get something you are looking for. And when we say shells, so these are the shells. So we can see a lot of shells at the beach, especially in the sand. So when we say shells, so these are hard covers of sea animals that we can found or find in the sand. So this look at the picture. So these children are picking shells. So these are shells, tiny little Shells. Okay, so next. So teacher has a question here. So do you know where is the shell from?
Bạn có biết vỏ sò này đến từ đâu không?
Do you know where is the shell from?
From is big.
Very good. One more time. Let's say the shells are from the sea animals.
We see yes something you are looking for.
And this one,
Yeah.
the shells.
The shell have cover a sea animal frogs on the sands.
Very good. So when we say shells, so the shells are from the sea animals. So these are the animals. There are a lot of animals that has shells. So these are the shells from sea animals. So these shells, so they are from the sea animals that lives in the sea. Okay, so next, let's read this one.
We use statue on the beach.
Okay, very good. One more time. Let's read this word again. Let's say castles.
Castles.
Very good. So when we say build, so it is making something by putting parts together. So like this one, these children, they are building castles. So when we say castles, so these are big buildings with walls, and towers or small ones, which is made from the sand. Like this, what are the children building? So they are building a sand castle. Okay, so what is this, Danko? What do you call this one? We call it
Castle.
as,
That's
yes,
a
very
big,
good, castle.
big
It is a
sand castle.
sand castle. Very good. So now teacher has a question. What is the castles made of? So listen first.
Lâu đài được làm bằng vật liệu gì?
Okay, so what is the castles made of? They are made of, look at the
Big
picture. What are this? What is this? They are made of
sand castle.
sand. Very good. They are made of sand. So we can make a castle from sands. So that's why it is called as sand castle. So very good. So now let us review what we have learned today. So what do you call this one, Dangkwang?
Beach.
Beach. Wow, very good. How about this one? What is this?
First beach.
This is a
That's a castle.
very good, castle. One more time, let's say castle. Very
Castle.
good. How about this one? What do we call, or what is the children doing?
Children.
What is the word? Dig.
Big sea.
What is this? What is the boy doing?
Chick.
Dig. How about this one? What do we call this toy?
Kitchen.
Good job. One more time, let's say kite.
Cat.
Very good. And what do we call this one, Dankwa?
Shells.
Shells. Very good. And what is the boy doing?
But it's a wind. Also windy.
Very good. Wow, good job, Dankwa. So now this will be the end of our lesson, Dankwa. So you did a great job in remembering the words that we have learned today. So teacher suggests that you practice these words. So kite, castle, and beach. Okay, so practice your pronunciation with these three words. Okay, Dankwa?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so thank you so much for your time today, Dankwa, and see you again soon. Bye bye. Thank
Bye
you so
bye. See you.
much.
Goodbye, teacher. See you again. Thank you, teacher.
Goodbye. Thank you.
Goodbye. Thank you, teacher. Goodbye. And see you again.